Tokyo in 2040 doesn't look like chaos, it looks like choreography. Picture Shibuya in the rain, neon reflections on the crosswalk, umbrellas moving like a single organism, and above it all, quiet drones mapping crowds in real time. The trains arrive to the second. The vending machines restock themselves. Elderly care robots glide through apartment corridors with soft voices and perfect patience. Everything works. Everything fits. And that's the hook. Tokyo might become the world's most efficient AI city not because it's flashy, but because it's willing to let the system take the wheel. The question is whether that level of perfection feels like comfort, or like living inside a machine that never stops watching. Tokyo today is already a preview of the future. Punctual trains, quiet order, and technology woven into daily life without drama. It's a city where space is precious and systems matter. Where millions of people live close together because they trust the rules to keep everything flowing. Convenience stores feel like tiny logistics miracles. Cashless payments are normal. Public etiquette is a kind of social operating system. But beneath the smooth surface, Tokyo carries pressure. An aging population, intense work culture, and a loneliness that can hide behind polite silence. That's why AI doesn't arrive in Tokyo as a novelty. It arrives as a solution. One that promises to hold the city together as demographics and demand push it to the limit. By 2040, Tokyo's AI transformation is built around care and infrastructure, because those are the city's pressure points. Robots become common not as gimmicks but as daily co-workers, guiding elderly residents through medication routines, helping them cook, walking with them to clinics, and calling family when something feels off. Hospitals run with AI triage that detects risk early. Subtle changes in speech, gait, sleep, and heart rhythms, long before emergencies happen. Meanwhile, the city itself becomes self-maintaining. AI monitors bridges, tunnels, and rail lines for microcracks. Sewer and flood systems react automatically during typhoons. Energy demand is predicted street by street to prevent blackouts. Tokyo doesn't just add AI. It turns the entire metropolis into a living machine designed to keep fragile human life stable. Transport in Tokyo 2040 becomes almost unnaturally smooth. Autonomous metro operations tighten the already famous punctuality into something that feels impossible. Trains synchronizing like gears, platform doors aligning with millimeter precision. Crowd flow guided by subtle lights and audio cues that you barely notice. On the surface, AI-managed streets prioritize pedestrians and micromobility, while delivery robots slip through designated lanes like quiet fish. During peak hours, the city doesn't just add trains. It reshapes demand, nudging commuters to alternate routes with dynamic pricing and schedule incentives. The system makes Tokyo faster, safer, cleaner. But it also makes movement legible. Where you go, when you go, and how often you go becomes a pattern the city can understand. An influence smart living in Tokyo 2040 is about making tiny spaces feel infinite. Micro-apartments become responsive pods. Walls that shift lighting to mimic daylight, soundscapes that cancel neighbor noise, and AI systems that manage temperature and humidity with obsessive precision. Your home knows your routines. When you work, when you eat, when you crash. And it quietly optimizes your life to reduce stress. Reminders to hydrate, posture corrections from mirror sensors, grocery restocks timed to your schedule. In newer buildings, shared amenities are run like hotels. Autonomous cleaning, instant booking, facial entry. It's efficient and comforting, especially for people living alone. But there's a psychological edge. When your apartment is always listening for your needs, it's also always collecting clues about who you are. Tokyo's jobs evolve into a partnership with machines, especially in service work. By 2040, restaurants use robot runners and AI ordering systems that translate preferences instantly. Hotels rely on automated concierge agents. Retail becomes a blend of human hospitality and machine logistics. In manufacturing, precision robotics and AI quality control make factories almost silent, more like labs than assembly lines. The biggest shift is that human work becomes emotional work, reassurance, taste, trust, and brand feeling, things people still prefer from people. But there's pressure too. When automation handles the baseline, employers can demand a higher standard of performance from the humans who remain. Perfect politeness, perfect speed, perfect consistency. The city becomes efficient. But the workers are expected to be just as optimized as the machines. That the world's smartest city could become the loneliest. Because when AI removes friction, it can also remove coincidence. Fewer crowded trains. Fewer awkward conversations. Fewer moments where you're forced to rely on strangers. By 2040, companionship is also automated. Social robots for the elderly, AI friends for teenagers, curated communities for busy professionals who don't have time to search for belonging. It helps, and it works. But it changes something subtle. If your apartment talks to you, your assistant comforts you, your city predicts what you need, the human world can start to feel optional. Tokyo becomes the first city where loneliness isn't solved by people. It's solved by systems. And that raises a haunting question. If loneliness is managed, do we still learn how to connect? Surveillance in Tokyo 2040 feels less like force and more like habit. Behavior prediction systems spread across districts, trained to detect danger early. Unusual running in stations, escalating arguments in nightlife zones, crowd compression during festivals. Cameras pair with thermal sensors, drone patrols, and smart lighting that. A day in Tokyo 2040 begins before you speak. Your phone already knows which train car will be quietest, which exit will be least crowded, and which coffee stand will have zero wait at 8:07 a.m. At work, your AI agent translates meetings instantly and drafts follow-ups with perfect politeness. At night, you stop by a convenience store and the shelves have already adjusted to forecast demand. Your favorite snack stocked because the city predicts your route home. Even social life is guided. Your calendar suggests a small community meetup based on shared hobbies and compatible schedules. Life feels frictionless, like the city is holding you steady. And then you notice the cost. The more Tokyo anticipates you, the less room there is to surprise it. The final vision of Tokyo 2040 is a city that runs like a whisper. Streets are clean. Transit is seamless. Robots move through daily life like appliances with legs. Emergencies are prevented before they happen. And the skyline, layered with drones, sensors, and quiet infrastructure, glows like a circuit board under rain. It's not a dystopia with sirens and riots. It's something more subtle, a hyper-efficient robotic city where the system is so good at caring for you that it can also begin to define you. Tokyo becomes the first place where the future feels gentle. And that's why it's dangerous. Because the most powerful control is the kind you stop noticing. That if Tokyo could keep you safe, healthy, and perfectly supported, by predicting your behavior and automating companionship, would you choose that life? Comment comfort or freedom, and tell me what Tokyo should never automate. This is Infinity AI TV, Infinite Stories, Infinite Imagination. Subscribe for more news.